Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to embed an Excel file into a Word document step by step. Whether you want to display a table, include live spreadsheet data, or attach the full file, I'll show you exactly how it's done in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open your Word document where you want to embed the Excel file. Place your cursor where you want the spreadsheet to appear. Now, go to the top menu and click on Insert. Then choose Object, it's usually on the right side of the ribbon. In the window that appears, go to the Create from File tab. Click Browse, then locate and select your Excel file. You'll now see two options. Link to File keeps it updated with changes made to the original Excel file display. As Icon shows a clickable Excel icon instead of the content. If you want to embed the actual content, leave both boxes unchecked, then click OK. Your Excel data is now embedded inside your Word document. You can double-click it to edit the spreadsheet directly in Word, and it works just like a mini Excel window. This is perfect for reports, invoices, or professional documents. Want the Word file to automatically update when you change the Excel file? Go back to Insert, Object, Create from File, and this time check Link to File. This way, any updates made in Excel will show in Word. But keep in mind, if you move the original Excel file, the link might break. It works only on your computer or shared systems, and that's it. That's how you embed an Excel file into Microsoft Word, either as a static table or a live linked spreadsheet. If this guide helped you, be sure to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Microsoft Office tutorials. Thanks for watching.